Today we're going to introduce you to the concept of budget group. As you can see here, this client has a lot of budget groups, and this month so far they delivered a good portion of the budget. But how can we use this information to make strategic decisions for our clients? First of all, we click on forecast. Shirofune is going to use data collected throughout the account to determine what the end of the month will likely look like for this customer. So for instance, if we look right here, there is a budget utilization of 110%. That doesn't mean that Shirofune will spend the whole 110%, given that auto bidding is on and this client told us they want to spend $3,600 on this specific budget group. Shirofune will paste the account for the client. However, it means that there is a 10% of opportunity that could be added to the budget, spending 3,974. At the same time, right below, we see that Facebook cannot spend the full budget at the current bidding strategy. So we're going to be spending 94% of the budget here. In this case, the client can decide whether they want to lower their target ROAS or simply take the budget that is not being used and putting this budget, for example, here where we could benefit from it. So, for example, we could move this budget to be 3,800. And once this is applied, our budget utilization column will update. And once it is updated, as you can see, it moved actually down to 109%. And we can remove some of the budget from Facebook if we wanted to. And here, for example, you can also see how there is a 27% opportunity for this campaign where they could be spending 4,800. So if we scroll down, we see that Bing is not going to be using the whole budget. It's only going to use 24% because this specific budget group is not performing. So let's say here we are setting $800 and I decide to allocate 400 of them here. I can make the change right in the interface. And I've just moved $800 to a higher ROAS in just 2 minutes. So the budget forecast is very precise, it updates daily, and it allows you to make these decisions on the go. You can also, of course, email your client and specify what opportunities there are in the account with a very proactive approach, which clients will appreciate a lot.